lined up, and unfortunately you only
why
have...
don't you... Whoops.
Okay. I've lost the other 4x4.
Oh, the 4x4 is now over the edge. Yes.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to get it.
Keep the rope taut.
Try and get this right in between so it can slide right down. Okay. Really? You ready? Yeah. Okay, Jake?
I'm moving it. Move it over? Yep, moving it. Okay, I gotta reposition.
Keep the ropes tight. Oh, yeah.
What I need is something so I can move this. Let me see yours. Can I borrow yours for a second? The ours here.
You can turn it off when there's nothing going
on. So hold it right there. Okay, just hold it right there. Okay. Oh, pull the roller out and put the boat back down.
Well, someone needs to get that rope. Can you guys hold down that?
If we could just get this down a little further, the roller could take effect.
Why is it that how can one person outweigh three? If you could just hold on to that, I would climb out there.
Steve, we're standing on it. You're not going anywhere.
I know, but I don't see your hands holding it like
Look
both
at my
hands.
feet.
That's not good enough.
I have 200 pounds plus on this rope. Yeah, but it'll give me rope burn and I'll let go anyway.
I don't want to.
Oh wow, that's like not. That's pretty iffy there.
771.
Here, one hand here, like that. When you're doing that, I can see you're holding it. Now go out there.
Okay.
Stand on it. Stand on it. You're gonna...
I don't understand why you're going out there, man. We need to get. If we just adjust this roller to the right part of its circuit.
Well, the rope's on the wrong side.
Got it?
Yeah.
Come on. Saka siya. Tumba ko.
Hey, there's entirely too much risk taking going on that right now, Steve.
Square knot here. The knot not supposed to come undone. Certainly not shipping. Okay, you can pull that out.
Okay, now this one is like is may become a hassle when things start to move. This rope.
Okay, so this rope needs to be tied on the other side.
Where?
We should be tied in the same spot, but it's got to be tied over there so it goes down even.
Well, all I know is that if this rope is secured like it is, then when it starts to move, the boat's going to turn in a circle.
It's going to turn.
That's right.
Right. So either it's got to be released equally on both sides, or we're going to have problems.
Actually, I think that perhaps if it had been released when we were trying to roll it, it would have rolled. See, because when you pull down, you're pulling down onto. I'm making some slack in this.
So is there anything? We don't have any place to tie over here, James. Is there any place to tie here?
Hang on. Maybe in my window, I open the window and there's this.
Yeah?
So James,
Whatever's in your, whatever's tied to is picked up through the window.
It's the only place that we can tie to.
You got one or two choices. You
I
either
don't
slide
mind.
the whole boat over.
Yes, I don't mind if it slides down hard. It's not going to damage it.
Then take off the rope altogether.
Yes,
Yes.
perhaps so.
Take off the rope altogether and let's just push it down.
Okay, let this rope go.
And let's let it tip. It's gonna.
Except for the roof, except for the eaves there.
So,
That's why we want
Take
to.
the 4x4s and push them out further. Now take the other one and push it out the same.
Can't do that.
All right. Well, follow that. Here, come stand right here.
Yung matiil ha, yung matiil.
Getting this, girlie? Are you videoing?
Okay, get on the other side, Steve.
Wait, girlie's not videoing.
Okay, now,
Hey, girlie, are you videoing?
Ready.
now Steve, try to roll the roller.
Where are you at, James? Standing up here?
Standing on this way. Is that? Did you move the 4x4 out?
Ready, go
Oh.
na, ready.
Watch out for this. We need to push this so it doesn't hit the even out.
Try to roll the roller at this point. Really.
All right. Well, we're still riding on the cement.
Let's see. We need something. I don't see what.
Girlie, you got it? Okay, hold on. I gotta put this forward. Okay.
Dua, tulo, go.
There it goes. There it goes.
Getting it, girlie? Here's a good angle. Over here, girlie, please. This is a really nice video angle.
Oh, excuse me. Sir?
Can't really see it. Oh, thank you. Spotlight, man. Okay, team up with the camera.
Well, this is going too. This is
Okay,
1080p, man. It's going.
Okay, so let's see how we can get it.
Wow.
Tagtango ng pamaw.
Dave, I don't want it to get hurt. Can you take this down? Can we put this here like this, and then roll it that way, James?
Ya, para matarong.
Like this. I'm gonna go like this. And then we're gonna just push this over here. Just slide it down.
Alala yung pisi. Darok.
I'm gonna lift this up over here. It's gonna go right towards you. So get out of the way.
Bila, kibira.
What are you gonna do now?
Out of the way. It's going right
Hey, you need to get this rope looser again, no?
Go. Yo, ariyan
Wait,
yung pisi. Yo.
that rope is tight. Get the rope out of the way.
Yeah.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay, wait, James. I need that. I was gonna slide it down on that.
Hey, you want to get everybody down there and scoot the rear end out into the water.
This is going to hurt the front. I want to slide it this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bira paralis para matarong. Tindog tarong.
We turn off early until action again.
Nakahikot pa man tali na
Start to
noy.
move. Get ready.
Nakahikot pa oh.
It's good that it tipped over. It just protected the lift. Push, yeah, push.
Push. Push mo yan te.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, come on.
Try it. Keep going. Push. We're trying.
Like everybody wait, like, okay.
Sige na, Amerikana may hatag si Mama, ha? Okay. That's good. That's
Dua.
good.
Ah.
Okay, James, I always wanted to put that log and just slide it sideways that way a little bit. Can you put that back up there? Right where it was. It was perfect.
Yeah.
Roll this boat over.
I want to slide it on its side right down here on that log so I don't hurt the front.
You're gonna slide it down?
Sideways. Tip it around.
I thought you wanted to slide it this way into the water.
No, because the skag, I want to do it like this.
Oh.
It's a good idea, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's what they do. I've seen them do it. But I
Okay,
can't
ito.
do it.
Yan naman ang dong kanang. Hari na po di babag ba. Kini mo itong
You can
itulak
easily lift it.
That's why they invented dry docks, I think.
Can we get that log? I don't want to have to do the thing himself.
I know you were here. Sure. You need a honk. Beep, beep.
Okay, put that out there over there. More. Right there, perfect. Good.
Okay.
Okay, now let's lift this up and down over there.
Have that rope.
Take a bunch more people than us. We need a bunch of guys.
Bunch of guys, not me.
Okay, wait for the other guy.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Wait for Girly.
I already hurt myself once on this.
Ready? Are you action?
Ah.
Ready? Go.
Keel.
Okay, we need to get it up onto this one. So,
Kini tadi asawa ni. Oh. Kini bang kondong.
You're right on the keel.
Yep.
So,
Well, minute tu.
Ihap noy.
Okay,
Okay.
could you
We need to push.
put this over, James?
so
Over that way?
what I really need is the guys who come down here will just pick up the back of the boat and it'll slide right down.
Okay, good idea.
Atraso na kita yung
Go in the sea. Dagat. Ikaw.
Okay.
Maraming taho, dagat, baba doon.
Baba.
Okay.
Baba na la.
Maraming taho, baba doon. Dagat.
All the ropes loose?
Yes, all the ropes are loose. I don't know. I hope this will actually float. What if it sinks? Like a rock. Please don't let it get on your feet or hurt you.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have guys on the other side.
We got anybody over here on this side? We need people up. I'm pushing the front, but we need. I have one. 0. Oh, 1. Okay. Ready? Ready?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going to fall in just a second here. It is going to fall, and it's going to hit this right here. So, could you please put this over there, guys? Please, I'm begging you.
Where do you want it?
I want it towards the boat, not out here Tim McCarthy's barn. Put it under the boat. Yes, thank you. Okay, that's good. Like that. Like that. That's good. Right there.
It's okay?
Make it a little bit down. Okay, good. Now.
One, two, three.
This is going to fall down in just a second here.
Gonna start displacing some water actually too. This is good. That's scientific lingo for
Okay, it's
floating.
going to fall here in just a minute. This is going to go here. Hopefully
Out of
that's
all
gonna-
the places to have gone, we went into the only deep part out here.
The only deep part?
The only deep hole.
But you know that has to go with a like controlled fall. It's
You
all.
want to come down here, Girly, a little bit? Or are you okay? Can you get it up there? Okay,
It's
good.
probably a
Okay,
good.
watch your
It's
feet
probably a
there,
good.
Tim, please.
It's a good vantage. Yeah.
You got another rope behind you too. Okay, are we ready? Let's do it again.
Wait, hang on.
Wait, he needs to tie a rope to it so it doesn't float in the ocean.
Fortunately, it's going to be a belly flop, and it's not going to on
I
this
guess
front.
we can swim out to it before it takes off by itself. Huh?
I mean, this is going to like be landing flat, hopefully, and not be a big not break very badly. I'm hoping for you.
Don't record yet now, Billy. I'll tell you when.
Steve, I need you to come take this rope off maybe.
No, we can swim under. Don't take any rope off.
Yeah, but hopefully what we're hoping is the 4x4s will stay in place and not come with the boat. We need them to stay.
But it's super hard to do that. Just cut the rope. Where's a knife? Does anyone have a knife?
One more knife.
He's got it.
Okay, Girly. Girly!
Knife.
Get ready to film. Okay, come over here. Come.
Tim, the flashlight like that.
Oh, black out. No.
Okay, are we ready? Watch out for that log.
Over there.
Like that.
Okay.
Don't try to catch it, Steve.
Now hold.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
That's good. A little bit, yeah.
2, 3.
Yes.
Good,
Slowly,
perfect.
but slowly.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Make sure these ropes are out from your feet here.
Right, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey.
Hey.
Wait a second. Everybody wait. I gotta get on it first.
Steve,
Why?
did you plug the hole where the pipe goes?
Yeah, I did, but just wait a minute. I need to get on it. Hold it up, guys.
It's fun in the flashlight.
Okay, let's go.
Very funny. Very big. Oh my God, it's very heavy. Watch it. Perfect.
Wow, it's
1,
back here.
2, 3.
Hey! Whoa! All right. Hey! Yee-haw! Woo!
You will born.
Probably do on a light bulb.
Asa pa ka dara? Oh, Mike! Mabanggaan.
You're gonna hit that other boat, no? No.
Rope.
No.
Wow!
Yeah. Praise the Lord.
Kuya, flashlight, kuya. Pag-open, flashlight.
Is this rope untied all the way?
Amazing.
We need more slack.
Kuya, kuya. Kuya. Sana yung flashlight open. Ayan o.
Where are you going?
Watch out.
Habog mo di ayo. Habog ko.
Really?
Nice
Ver-
job, guys.
That's beautiful.
Hey, Girlie, come here and get a picture of this. What? Right here. Picture of that. That's how much we didn't let the boat directly fall on the ground. We only had about, I don't know, 7 inches.
Video. Sige, okay. You smile. Girlie said you smile. Here.
Don't worry.
This one.
Be happy. Don't worry.
The light. That's right. Oh, the light.
Oh.
Okay, I gotta text Lucille and tell her I'm out in the ocean in the boat.
And you'll be over to Old Mary to pick her up.
Flashlight.
Asa ko ang pisa ito.
Yeah. Okay, well,
Unsa ba lubot like buyoron? Kaya ka ni buyoron lubot. Ako karon dai ni buyoron eh. Dulong ray in ana ra posisyon.
Karon na nuyon?
Ato ilas. Ito sa wakawak ba? Ay mao ting lubot og buyoron eh.
wow. It is gonna tip over though.
Pictures ako naman tanan. Hoy, pictures ako naman ay. Pictures ako naman tanan. Bye-bye.
Wala ka mo kakalikan.
Oo. Pictures ako tanan. Pictures mo. Picture kaniya. Barko kayo, girl. Missing. Ha? 10:21.
Saan, diara mo.
Ang suldo mara ka. Ang suldo wala ka toilet tas lab.
Bukan mo na kay kami na po sakay.
Ilahan ko li ana. Bito, siya picture na to.
So you guys just pull right back up those ramps, that'd be great.
Saingon.
Picture ka na. With them guys. Picture, all of you. Help her. Ay, pagpaubo-ubo na, bro.
Oh, you guys probably put in the water.
Somebody hold it. It does tip kind of. Okay, yeah, you guys get in.
Wow,
I'm
nice.
gonna get out now.
Picture.
Okay.
Oh,
Got a picture?
Marila sa cellphone. 1, 2. Pakatubang mo tanan.
Everybody else said,
Are you using a tablet? Did you get a picture with the tablet?
Yeah. Here, too.
Get a picture here with the tablet.
Gadok sa kayo.
One, two.
Likon ba kani?
Yes, we go over.
Kire na po daw. Bitiron pala, bitiron. Kapatan na po rin nila. Ayun pa rin. Look at it. See what it looks like.
Looks pretty awesome.
Pwede na ni boy kon muduwa man na si day sa way cutting. Kon muduwa na sa way cutting kana mayan. Oy tumudyo. Siding.
Hey, well done, bro.
Thank you. Adi ko titulak pa lang yan mo. Balbaran niyo na lang no. Wa na may higot.
Shine that light there.
Mugdoro na kayo, wala higot niyo. No more rope.
Where are you going?
Here, hold this phone, please. Hold this, please. Please hold it for me.
Okay.
Get up. Alang yan at kada tigyaw.
I shouldn't laugh.
Pilang tuyom.
You know why it's tipping to the front a little bit? You guys designed it that way, so when I put the engine in, I'm putting in a 4-cylinder diesel. 45 horsepower. 45 horsepower.
45 horsepower ang kita ya? Yo. 45 horsepower ang butang ya? Matay sa akong karpulo ka nang nai. Ilada bitaw sa pilit. Ano say? Mga 30 personas kaya.
Butang pa man na tagbot kilid.
Where's the girlie?
Pwede de guay kate.
Yes,
Wala pa na, kaya mo ni kate.
Where's girlie?
I'm here.
Okay.
Huh?
Can you talk to Tatay and Saya and ask if he can be the one to tie it here till morning? Because I don't know how to do that.
Yo.
Tatay?
Tay. Sa ako na pagigot. Ihigot na ko ng angkla. Ato, unaon. Punduhan ko no.
I want to tie it out in the water a little bit with that anchor.
Para umabuta guyon.
Take it easy there, bud.
Dad,
You okay?
hold on.
I didn't hear any response, girlie.
Okay, like that.
Where's the
1, 2.
is that your phone?
Yeah.
Can you post it on Facebook right now or we have Wi-Fi?
Like that. 1, 2. Nice.
Okay.
So Tatay's gonna tie it, and I'm gonna give money to Leia to find out who did it and what.
Hayro man ako an pundo.
No.
I see you scooting around, Sean.
Wait, hold it right there. Wait, guys, hold it. Hold it there. I want to get a picture.
Mickey Mouse.
Okay, they didn't hold it, I think. Where's the, you got the anchor out there?
Yeah, they took the anchor.
Now we could go dancing here. Dance floor. Sigurado ka ba wala rock doon? Baba. Oh, ako pugal lang. Ilan.
Steve, I need him to put it under the ridge. The outer ridge.
So you can get a leverage on it?
So he's putting the stick right in my area. He needs to move it right on the outside ridge of the bow. Because what I need to do is let this down. I'm using it like a block. Okay?
Like that?
Exactly like that. Okay. I'm going to lift it up, but I'm not going to move it. He needs to remove that.
And I need to go back over
You
there.
need to go back where you were. Yeah, you ready? I'm going to move it over. And it is.
Hold it. Make sure it doesn't.
It's moving.
Yeah, hold the rope. Oh. Yeah. Keep the ropes tight. Keep the ropes tight. I don't know why it keeps on tipping this way.
Yeah, why keep this pulled back.
I want it tipping that direction.
He wants, you see, pull, tighten this. He does not want this to move. He does not want the top to go that way. Bring it back.
Let's do something then. Let's do something. I got an idea.
The front's got to move.
Hey, stop. Let it back.
Kung ikaw diya Abel, ati ka bang
Why
ilaw?
is it falling on me?
Hindi magbalik-balik.
Now, tighten the rope. Please, tighten the rope.
Well,
There.
the front has to move away from the.
Ibangan ang ilaw ba nga pag-angat dili na magbalik-balik.
We have to actually let those ropes down and let it tip over and start sliding down these logs a little bit. Slowly. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, I got an idea that's going to work here. But I wish we had hot water here.
Hey, you know, every time it goes slack, pull it back. You know.
Well, you're gonna have to give it rope.
Well, he doesn't want it tipping that way, and that's what he's been saying. So I'm just trying.
Away from the front.
I'm trying to enforce that. Yeah. See, like when it rolls, that doesn't slide, and that's what he's concerned. That's one of the things he's concerned about.
Okay, so here's the way that we can do it. Unless you think it's not right. Girlie, can you video this? When I start talking, we start getting something exciting down there. So unless Tim thinks this won't work, I think, Tim, if they start letting the slack out of these ropes little by little and let the weight of it just pull it down those
perhaps
logs.
Perhaps. I've just been trying to enforce what you said.
Yeah,
which was
right.
Yeah.
But that's not working because it's bound up in the front. And it's not, we can't pull it. So
you got to get it in a straight line. You got to get those ropes in the front where the ropes are over there at the front.
yeah. Well, right now the way it is and the way it looks like the weight of it could start sliding down. The only thing I'm worried about, James, is that log that you have. I think if